Hello viewers, here's another customer. I'm gonna change the Serpentine belt to this 2005 Honda Civic. It's kind of new room in here. It's pretty tight, so kind of pain in the ass. Let's see what happened. You can take it. Whew. Bang. Okay. This tensioner is number 19 here. Bolt, and I'm gonna have extension. I don't have a Serpentine belt wrench, so I'm gonna use this old school. At first, you have to draw the lines so that you will know the ropes. Around that, there's a new one. Let's see, they're the same. Looks like they're the same. That's good. Look at this old one. There are only four lines holding there. That's scary. Scary, man, scary. Don't drive that on the road, especially long drive. So we're gonna put this one, but before we put this back, you have to put a dressing on this, belt dressing. So I'm gonna get that. Okay, here's a belt dressing. Spray this one, Master belt dressing. So spray this one. Good. Okay, we're gonna put this back together. Let's see if I can take my hand. It's very tight. Shit. Not fun.
Oh no!
Let's see. I think I need to jack the car. Wow.
Oh no!
So here we go, guys. I can't reach it with my hand, so I jacked up the car. Put jack stand. I'm gonna see if I can reach here underneath here. Put that Serpentine belt. Let's see. There you go. This one's a little bit better. I can see now. It's very tight. I don't want to take the engine mounting bolt, because that's takes me so much job, so much work. I don't know, it's hard to see on the camera because I have only two hands. I need a cameraman.
Oh no!
Okay, I think I'm gonna go up and take the upper portion. Okay, guys. Oh, finally I did the Serpentine belt on there. It's pain in the ass, pretty tight. So now it's gonna check if it's no miss. I missed teeth here. Let's check the gears here. Okay, look at that. I think the pulley of the compressor, the belt is on with the crankshaft. It's in it's hard to see in the camera. That's right there. That's the crankshaft, and over there that's the power steering pulley. So it looks like it's pretty good there. Didn't miss something. So let's try to crank it hard.
Oh no!
Let's rock and roll. Okay, start the engine. Let's check the check also the tensioner. Let's check also the tensioner here. It didn't slide. It's hard to see in the camera, but okay. I think it's in there. Right there. Underneath there, underneath. So let's try that. Okay. So everything is on. Looks good. Let's see what happened. The battery on. Okay, start. Looks good. Okay guys, now it's running. So but now I can hear a little bit noise on the power steering because it's tight now. So and the owner said power steering is stiff on this one. So probably that's causing the stiffness. I can hear right there power steering pulley making some noise. I didn't see any binding there, so I guess needs a power steering pulley. Wow, look underneath. That's the pulley. Looks like a little bit wobble. Okay. I think it needs a bursting pulley. Now. Now let's take it down.